Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here from West Coast Motorcycle Adventures. My light burnt out yesterday, so today I went and picked up some LED lights from Canadian Tire, and I just installed this one. And before I put the cover on, I turned it on to make sure it works, and it does. So I've put the cover on. Now I'm going to turn the lights on and see if there's a noticeable difference between the brightness of the LED and the original bulb that's on that side. So let's do this. And then I'm going to replace this bulb. So well, I don't know if there's a noticeable difference, but that's a different color, that's for sure. Way different color. I don't know if I liked that. I don't know if I liked that at all. Here, I'm going to turn that back on just to look. Yeah, that's weird. It's more of a yellow than an orange. So I'm going to quickly replace this. Show you how you do that. There's a screw right here. You want to undo that screw. Once you got the screw out, this just pops right off like that. And then, to get the light bulb out, you push on it. See, you push and twist it. See that? And you see that little nub that's there? That's going to slide right out like so. Then, you take your other light bulb, which fell on the ground, and you want to be wearing gloves when you touch these light bulbs too, by the way. That's why I'm wearing gloves. You don't want your the oils from your fingers. And then you slide this back in like this, and if you push on it and it doesn't go, you got it in backwards. I'll show you. See, I'll turn it around like this and try, and it won't go in. You gotta take it out and turn it around and put it in this way. So if it's not going in, backwards. So you push it in, up, and twist. Oh, and twist. Like that, see? So that little nub that's there goes down. And then you put your cap back on and you've changed your lights. So I'll show you what that looks like. Like that. And we'll put the cap back on and see what it looks like. Cap on. Screw back in. Yep. Trying to do this left-handed. There it is. Anyway, I'm going to make sure that's all lined up properly before I start screwing. Let's see. I do not want to be stripping that because you're just screwing into plastic, right? So you want to make sure that it is all lined up. And you want to make sure to put this screw in nice and straight before you start screwing it. Or you can really screw it up. There it goes. See? When there's no resistance, that's when you know you're screwing good. If there's resistance, when you're trying to screw and there's resistance, stop trying to screw. That's some damn good advice from Brad from West Coast Motorcycle Adventures. So, let's take a look and see what these lights look like now that they're both installed. Yeah, it looks much better with both of them, so I'm happy with that. And I'm happy that I was able to find new light bulbs at Canadian Tire. And I didn't have to try and order them online or wait until the motorcycle shop opened tomorrow. So, stoked. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. And, you know, I'm sure it's the exact same process on any motorcycle. So don't take your bike to the shop to have your lights changed. Do it yourself. And I'm sure you probably already know that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice night.